first time on a horse. Wait, that's crazy. There's like nobody here but us. No camera can capture as good as the eyes. It really does look like something out of a movie. About 7 in the morning. And look, beautiful out still. We're about to have some breakfast. Today we're gonna go see some more lakes. Gonna get my drone up as well. Let's see what we got for breakfast.
How's the room? Was it cold?
It is cold.
Yeah, I
Look at the sun just beaming on the mountains. So now we just hopped out the bus. We're gonna switch to a Soviet bus to head to Kaindy Lakes. I think it's over here. I'm not too sure, but it's like off-road or something. Yo! All squeezing in here.
Okay.
Now we're gonna ride some horses. I think they're pulling out right over there. Let's go. Okay. Look.
Look.
Go.
Давай.
Wow. I'm on a fucking horse right now. Yeah. So I guess we're gonna take these horses to the Kaindy Lake. Well, my hands are absolutely freezing. I got one layer on and just this scarf. That is it. But still be a good ride. Should have brought more layers. Oh, it's crazy. First time on a horse.
Me too.
Wow. Oh, Hirsch, your horse just took a dump. Wow, what a horse ride. I keep forgetting these are like real animals and not like a car, you know? So you can't really have full control to yourself. But look at this, beautiful. Here are the Kaindy Lakes. The trees sticking out, the water. I think it's a little bit frozen too. But this is glacier water, so they don't really swim in it, anything like that. The horse ride, 10 out of 10 experience, and it only costed 8,000 tenge, which is this much USD. First time riding a horse too. Great experience. Probably the best spot you can do it too, in between these mountains in the snow. Going to a lake, doesn't get better than that. Wait, that's crazy. There's like nobody here but us. And I think the water is completely frozen over. If I'm not mistaken, maybe not right here, but
You did not bring your drone?
no, I didn't bring it.
Oh, why?
I didn't want to carry the backpack with me. It would have been nice, but
It would be so
okay.
perfect from the up
yeah.
view with the drone.
Yeah. So apparently you actually can ice skate on this lake during January when it's fully frozen over. But right there, it's not frozen at all. So it's not too solid yet. You don't understand how insane this looks in person. Camera never does justice. Wait, so you said what caused this again? 1911?
1911 earthquake.
Earthquake.
Magnitude was 8.2. After that earthquake, they blocked the river. Landslide changed. So that's how formed the lake.
Wow. Bunch of different paths you can walk on. I think we're about to go this way. Whoa. Crazy. That water is so blue when the sun hits it. It's beautiful. I'm not sure if you could actually take like a car up this path or if it's a walking path. Maybe some horses. I don't know, man. Look at that view. Kazakhstan is such an underrated country. If you ever get a chance to come here, highly recommend it. Headed back now to the horse. Gonna ride back up.
Like any photo I take ain't that good.
No camera can capture as good as the eyes. Here. Hello. What a good trip so far, honestly. Ride horses today is definitely the highlight of the whole trip. I got the leader horse right here. Let's go. Man, who gets to say they've ridden a horse in the middle of Kazakhstan like this? This is honestly like a once in a lifetime experience. Super grateful to be able to do this. Alright, stop by this little store that's here. Got some chicken sausage. How is it?
It's bussin'.
It is busting.
Are they fighting?
Oh shit.
Take a video.
Crazy fight right there. That dude like threw, I didn't get it on a video, but he threw like a metal stick at him like right here, and then they just started going at it on the ground. What an experience. Riding horses, see a fight break out in Kazakhstan. Pumping up this tire right here. Little flat. Not gonna lie, they be driving crazy on these roads. Oh, look, lucky number 7. So we're eating lunch in the same place yesterday. We have different food. Look at this. Ooh. What kind of meat is this?
It's chicken.
Okay. Whew, that's definitely the best meal of the trip so far. That rice with that chicken. That chicken was super tender, flavorful. I give it an 8.8 out of 10. Fire meal. Wow, I'm full. I made it here to the last stop, Charyn Canyon. Look at this. Gonna get the drone up here 100%.
Charyn is 12 million years old.
Damn.
Char, it's like cliff.
I really like how these parks over here, they let you fly the drones. It's like a mini Grand Canyon. This would honestly be a great spot to just come shoot like a little movie or short film, because it really does look like something out of a movie, straight off like another planet or something. It's like Mars. There's even like a clay little hut you can just chill in. What is this? Well, it's all in Russian. Can't read that. But look at this. What is this made out of? Oh, it's like hollow inside. I think it's like fake. Looks like clay though. And look at, so walk through this. Absolutely beautiful. Just seeing like the canyon from above on the drone controller, unreal, these rock formations. And it's like over 12 million years old is what my tour guide said, at least. Man, look at this place. Whew.
As I said, 330. 333.
We're about to take this little taxi thing back up. So then we don't gotta walk, because that was a far walk. Here we go.
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I think that's gonna wrap it up for the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed Kazakhstan. I hope I showed you a different side of a new country. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned with all my travels. Drop a comment where you want to see me go next, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.